Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to the beautiful city of Lausanne, Switzerland. Get ready to explore its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and rich history. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or simply seeking a memorable adventure, Lausanne has something for everyone. So let's dive right into our ultimate travel guide of Lausanne. As you arrive in Lausanne, you'll be greeted by the stunning shores of Lake Geneva, nestled amidst the majestic Swiss Alps. The city's convenient transportation system ensures easy access, making it a perfect starting point for your Swiss adventure. Lausanne is renowned for its exceptional public transport, including trains, buses, and ferries, allowing you to explore its many wonders effortlessly. Let's begin our journey in Lausanne's charming old town, known as Cité. This historic district is a true treasure trove of medieval architecture, narrow cobblestone streets, and hidden alleyways. Take a leisurely stroll through the picturesque Place de la Palude, where you'll find the iconic town hall and the famous Lausanne Cathedral, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Lausanne is also home to the International Olympic Committee's headquarters, and it proudly celebrates its Olympic heritage. A visit to the Olympic Museum is a must. Immerse yourself in the fascinating history of the Games, interactive exhibits, and even try your hand at various sports simulations. It's an experience that will ignite the Olympic spirit within you. Art enthusiasts rejoice. Lausanne boasts a thriving art scene and is renowned for its world-class museums and galleries. The Collection de l'Art Brut, showcasing extraordinary works of art by self-taught artists, is a true hidden gem. Additionally, the Musée de l'Elysée, dedicated to photography, and the Olympic Museum are worth exploring for their unique collections. No visit to Lausanne would be complete without spending time along the scenic shores of Lake Geneva. Take a leisurely stroll along the Ouchy promenade, basking in the tranquil atmosphere and enjoying breathtaking views of the lake and the French Alps. You can also indulge in various water activities, including paddleboarding and boat cruises, to make the most of this picturesque setting. Just a short journey from Lausanne lies the UNESCO-listed Lavaux Vineyards, a wine lover's paradise. Embark on a wine tour through the terraced vineyards and savor the region's renowned Chasselas wines while taking in the idyllic views of Lake Geneva. It's a perfect blend of natural beauty, exquisite wines, and Swiss hospitality. Lausanne's central location makes it an excellent base for day trips to neighboring attractions. Hop on a train to explore Montreux, famous for its annual jazz festival and the iconic Chalon Castle. Alternatively, take a scenic boat ride to visit the medieval town of Evian-les Bains in France, renowned for its mineral water and stunning lakeside charm. Lausanne's culinary scene is a treat for food enthusiasts. Don't miss the opportunity to indulge in traditional Swiss dishes, such as cheese fondue, raclette, and rousting. The city is also home to numerous gourmet restaurants and trendy cafes, offering a fusion of international flavors and local delicacies. Bon appetit! Lausanne Cathedral, also known as Cathedral Notre Dame, is a must-visit landmark in the city. This Gothic masterpiece is not only an architectural marvel, but also houses stunning stained glass windows and an impressive organ. As you explore the cathedral, you'll also discover the fascinating history of Lausanne and its role as a cultural and religious center. Don't forget to visit other historical sites nearby, such as the Château Saint-Mère and the Escaliers du Marche, offering a glimpse into the city's medieval past. Nature lovers, rejoice! Lausanne offers a myriad of outdoor activities to satisfy your adventurous spirit. Head to the nearby Sauvabellen Forest, where you can hike through enchanting trails, have a picnic by the tranquil lake, and even spot wildlife. For a more challenging adventure, embark on a hike up to the stunning viewpoint of Signal de Sauvalin, offering panoramic vistas of the city and the surrounding landscape. Lausanne is known for its vibrant cultural scene with numerous theaters, music festivals, and art events throughout the year. Check out the Théâtre de Vidy or the Théâtre de Vidy de Beaulieu for captivating performances ranging from theater to dance and music. Art enthusiasts can explore the collection de l'Art Brut, as well as the museums of contemporary art and design, showcasing innovative and thought-provoking exhibitions. Indulge in some retail therapy at Lausanne's bustling shopping districts, such as the pedestrian-friendly Rue du Bourg and Place Saint-François. Explore a wide range of boutiques, Swiss watch shops, and local artisan markets where you can find unique souvenirs to take back home. And of course, don't miss the opportunity to savor the city's culinary delights. From traditional Swiss dishes to international cuisine, Lausanne's restaurants and cafes cater to every palate. When the sun sets, Lausanne transforms into a lively and vibrant city. Experience the buzzing nightlife by visiting trendy bars, jazz clubs, and rooftop lounges offering panoramic views of the cityscape. Stroll along the Flown District, known for its vibrant nightlife scene and eclectic mix of entertainment venues. Whether you prefer a relaxed evening sipping cocktails or dancing the night away, Lausanne has options to suit every taste. And there you have it, fellow travelers, our comprehensive travel guide to Lausanne, Switzerland. From the charming old town to the picturesque Lake Geneva, this city offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. So pack your bags, create unforgettable memories, and explore the wonders of Lausanne. Until next time, keep wandering and exploring the world.